Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're returning, you're welcome as well. So as you guys can see from the title, I have a special guest here who's going to be beating my face, doing my makeup. Come on. Introduce yourself.
I go by the name Victor Giwa, an international beauty influencer and a self-taught makeup artist.
Professional makeup. You do?
Yeah, it's professional, you know, we do. I like to talk much, so straight to the video. I'm going to be doing what I call transformation on her face today, because
what's up with the accent?
Because this is basically how I talk. So I kind of do makeup for fun, because like I've taught a couple of big names, you know, from Jide. Jide was my boy. Why are you laughing? Jide was my boy. Then I also taught Ronald the 7th.
Yeah.
Then I'm basically doing a class with Big Next Door for now. I'm still trying to teach her a couple of things she needs to know. So I'll be showing you guys some little skills that you need to understand. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. So we start with what we call the little's brush. Little's brush. Okay. We'll use it to little size her eyebrows. You know?
Wow.
Easy to. What's your business?
Sorry.
So the little size. That's what it's called. Most people don't know the meaning. You get it? So lane. All you girls that don't know how to shaping eyebrows, you do it to look like sperm cell.
Jesus is Lord!
Are you seeing it? You do it to the end. See it? It takes years of practice to be as good as this, so don't mind. You can see the way I'm just doing it very fast. No, sorry. Where is that next thing I'm supposed to use?
You're a professional makeup.
No, I know. I'm teaching you, so you need to show me what's next you're supposed to do.
Jesus is Lord!
Use concealer.
Yes. Good.
Brush.
If not like you knew that now, I would have stopped this class.
So how much do you charge for your makeup?
I mean, it depends. If it's for wedding, I charge 400,000.
Okay, then just
for the bride, though. Like, I don't do externals.
So if I just want casual makeup?
It depends on your relationship with me. I can do 45, do 50.
Very affordable.
Yes.
You know, for how good you are.
Exactly. I know a couple of people call me just because I want to see my face, but that's why I charge very well.
But it's totally worth it. I mean,
yeah, because I'm the best.
Definitely.
I'm the best. I don't have any competition. Even Jide that I thought work is trying to drag Abuja with me.
Wow.
I told him Abuja is mine.
Yours.
Abuja is mine. All these with Xanders, all these ones that they are trying to.
So why didn't you do Dangote's daughters?
I was there.
Oh.
I was there. My boys handled it.
Okay.
I was there.
Jesus is Lord.
Her makeup, she's your girl.
Yeah, she's my girl. So where am I supposed to put this?
On the eye now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. I just wanted to confirm. See? Everywhere you get, this is what they call if you go to the proper makeup school, they'll tell you it's called hypnotizer. It hypnotizes the skin and makes the foundation fit and strong for
Jesus is Lord.
For the face. Say hypnotizer.
Hypnotizer.
Yeah, that's it. That's okay. I need to show you one trick Jide always does. Where is it? What's your name? Sarah. That's why you see, this is what I taught Jide. You do an S like this since her name is Sarah before you start.
Jesus is Lord.
Is it with the foundation they do it or with the concealer?
You can use anyone. You can use anyone. It's the same thing. It's just that you both like to call it different name. Concealer.
You will end up in McDonald's.
You do an S. That's like, what's your name? Sarah. Anybody that's in the makeup know her name is S something. So you do the S. Then you drop this one. Your friends are going to be fucking surprised that you had opportunity to meet me.
You. I know.
Yeah, it's
But I mean, on your Instagram bio, you don't put makeup artist.
I don't really like promoting my makeup parts of me. Like, there are a lot of things I do, like, but I don't let people know. Like, I play saxophones, but like people don't know.
Jesus is Lord.
There's just some parts I just like to show to people I love. No, I'll correct that. It's an error. Okay. What else? What
Do you
else?
want to use brush to like blend?
Was that light?
No, they're good. This is what I do.
I watch them, but I don't pay attention. Just see if I can get shot.
The glue they put there.
Yes. No, this one, it comes with glue. It's a special one. You know CC?
Fine girls won't come my way, but you're still the one I want.
He's done creating this look, and I'm going to give him a 2/10
for this amazing.
Yes. I'm giving you.
Can you see the lips
I'm
and this
not happy.
eyeshadow and the glow?
I'm just not happy.
So you guys don't forget to hit me up.
You can book him
when you
if
want.
You want to look like this, you know.
Yeah, just hit me up.
Anything.
Anywhere, your wedding.
Really simple, nice.
You want casual makeup, body art, anything in general. I'm here at your service. don't forget to follow my YouTube also. I drop a lot of makeup tutorials. I drop a lot of makeup tutorials, so I'll leave the link in the description. So sign out.
Yeah. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Rate him on a scale of 1 to 10. How well did he do? He has a YouTube channel. Make sure you check it out and subscribe. But subscribe to my channel first. Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. I know who's speaking.
My name is Anita. Please, am I speaking to Victor's father?
Yeah.
Okay.